to come and work this next year, probably? All right, you got to come.
Late to the party, but they always put it in their mouth.
Four?
Not even half.
Yeah. All right, let's try the hams. Yeah, that was awesome, by the way.
Thank you.
Yesterday.
Yeah. All the way from Florida.
All the way from Florida. Jacksonville, Florida.
It's great to see you.
Did you fly in, drive,
Oh, I drove.
scooter?
Yep.
Thinking who you want to play with because you got the big teams. Who do you want to play with? Think about it.
Welcome to Gas Monkey Garage Sturgis Rally 2026. Welcome to Sturgis 2026 from Gas Monkey Garage. Regina? Right there. Right hand, coming in.
How'd you get on the straight team?
I was second runner-up for, or I guess first runner-up for Pro Model.
Oh,
So
awesome.
you'll probably see some pictures when we did the photo shoots. It's a good time. The last girl won like $1,000. Everybody had a really good time. So
We missed that. Don't bother him. So how long did it take you to drive here from Florida to Jacksonville, right?
Yeah, I think it was close to 2,000 miles. It was like 1,800 something miles, but it took about 2 days. 2 days and a little change.
Here's the Easy Riders prepaid camping area. Easy Rider Estate over here.
Sticky, so now what?
Hey, your hair is
How are you,
awesome.
baby?
It's been a long time.
I know it. Thank you. I've never done it before.
No, it looks cool.
Thank you.
limousine again
So,
to go
yeah,
to
on
the
the bike.
fireball?
Yeah, that's what we're talking about. We're talking about doing 4 walls this year.
I was in Florida, now I'm in San Diego. Now I'm here in Sturgis 2026. Woo! I already lost my voice.
Carly, come see Carly at Camp Zero. She's here the whole time and she's rocking it.
Chasing you down for your order.
Oh. So here's where we parked, right here. This is the exact spot we got towed. And there's no sign anywhere. And we weren't blocking this alleyway either. We were parked up against, the front bumper was up against those bushes.
It's a trap. Don't park here.
Is your microphone?
Dude, I got you getting hit perfectly.
Yeah?
How long did it take to put all that in?
5 hours.
Wow.
I couldn't sit still that
5 hours.
Good shot, man. Okay, do me a favor.
Tam from Bob and Tam's Adventures, the better half.
The other half.
Kayla, hey, how's it going? I see you're the poster
Oh, we
model.
might have a Ricky Bongos.
Welcome to Sturgis Buffalo Chip, the best party anywhere.
It is the best party anywhere. And we're here with Brittany. Come get a drink from her. Come see her at the Miss Buffalo Chip pageant.
My butt says Scooter Trash Holly.
Yeah, awesome.
You know? How did you know?
I saw
racetrack. We're just Harley.
My channel is called Awesome Documentary.
Okay, cool.
What's your name?
I'm Shelby.
Shelby, nice to meet you.
Too many things in your hand.
Yep, you were awesome riding out there. I want
Thank
to
you.
let you know.
I appreciate that. I used to race dirt bikes, but I made mini bikes a little bit slower. So
Yeah.
I was like, come on.
One that has to take it out.
He has to take it out.
Oh yeah, he's got a long task
Oh,
on
you
his
took off
hand.
my necklace.
Did everything except for the acid? Or did you do the acid too?
That's exactly how I got the idea for the bike.
I'm gonna have to pour in some water on myself. I should be good.
Have you been to Sturgis before?
I've been here, but it's been 8 years since I've been back. So I'm so ready for my comeback.
Sturgis Bike Rally 2026.
Once or twice.
And you won, what did you win? You won,
Come here. Dirty tail right there. That's my daughter.
You cooling her off?
I got a little too high. We're keeping the bikini girls alive today.
Now, did you make that custom top, the Harley Davidson, or?
I didn't, so talk to your bagger on Instagram.
Bob, what's up, Bob?
What's going on?
Did you get it?
Oh God, I'm gonna get it. Come on. Come on, Todd. Come on, Todd. Bring it home. Bring it home.
White, but then I have painted all psychedelic, and I have like LSD number 25 on the tank. I have Albert Hoffman on the tank.
Knuckleheaded Adventures.
Slow down.
We have one for you. If you do not have a mini bike, we have one for you.
I worked in town, but it was not as fun as the Buffalo Chill.
Let's go. That was just before my first year was 2020. Last year, I don't know, maybe.
I've never been here before. It's my first Sturgis rally.
What are you promoting?
Beatbox.
What is it?
Oh,
It's like a wine-based cocktail. They're 11%.
Cameron drinks some and they're strong. What's the story with that?
it up for the gooch.
As long as you're cool with me, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
I'm just here to do a job.
I was mad.
If I don't do it, somebody else will do it. That's the biggest deal. I mean,
I was mad, but not at you.
Yeah, we're not mad at you.
He's got a chain on and a vest.
I saw that cat earlier. Overlooking Bear Butte, the town of Sturgis. Well, mostly Sturgis High School and the Thunderdome.
Plus Ozzy loved him.
We should go see Youngblood. I don't know who he is. Never seen him. Awesome.
Awesome.
And he's a cutie pie.
He is a little cutie pie, yeah.
to Sturgis before?
I've been here, but it's been 8 years since I've been back. So I'm so ready for my comeback.
Sturgis Bike Rally 2026.
Once or twice.
And you won
gonna get it. Come on. Come on, Todd. Come on, girl. Bring it home. Bring it home.
White, but then I have painted all psychedelic, and I have like LSD number 25 on the tank. I have Albert Hoffman on the tank.
Knuckleheaded Adventures.
We have one for you. If you do not have a mini bike, we have one for you.
You might be like